we're done. So we're done counting, and we're gonna go find where they are. Hey, get out of this.
She might be hiding where you hid earlier.
No, she can't. She knows about that.
Bathroom.
Last time I was hiding behind that couch, and she passed me like 3 times, and she was like looking right at the chair, and yeah. I know it's kind of dark right now, but
No.
probably for those who using iOS, iPod. I bet you she's in here.
I bet she's in.
It doesn't look like she's in here, so
Wait.
she can't. She knows we know she's gonna hide in there. She knows that. There's no possible way she could hide in this. Plus, she can't go downstairs. Let's see. You think she might be hiding downstairs? I usually roll against that. I usually roll, but on the carpet, but no, not this time. She's not. Doesn't seem like she's in here. She might be in the laundry room.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
I felt a person there.
Oh,
well, this is the end of episode 1.
How could